What do you do with contrasovuyj.club pop-up windows? The name of this website is really hard even to pronounce, and obviously the website is not a decent resource. It actually tries to make you click on this allow button integrated into the pop-up, but doing that is obviously a very serious mistake. When people click on the allow button, this is the moment when the browser gets hijacked with intrusive web push notifications that start bombarding the screen and causing a lot of troubles. Sooner or later, you may end up visiting a lot of suspicious websites to which this contrasovuyj.club will redirect you. So clicking on the allow button is obviously a serious mistake, but if you have clicked on the button, there is still a way to fix your browser. Now, first of all, you need to go to the browser menu, you need to click on settings, and then you select site settings and notifications. Check this allow area carefully and you may find this dangerous website. You need to click on this button and select remove. And if you find some other websites in the list that are not really decent, like this nextyourcontent.com, you need to also click here and select remove. After this has been done, I recommend that you perform scanning of your Mac with the Combo Cleaner antivirus that you may get on this official website, combocleaner.com. So when you download the program and install it, start the application from your Launchpad. You may notice that the program comes as the trial mode initially, but it will still perform free scanning and free analysis of your Mac when you click on Start Combo Scan button. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of scan, you will see the detailed analysis of your system, giving you a chance to apply several functions and several improvements, even in the trial mode. For instance, the disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. These are free features to use, so you may review the results and fix these issues manually, even in the trial mode. As for the antivirus part, it's the component of the premium license only. However, the program has performed free scanning of your Mac, so you may click on Review Results and find the location of each thread one at a time and get rid of it manually. Or you may enjoy the premium license of the program, which will help you to remove all threads automatically from your Mac.